Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lusambo. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the existing differences between these two e-commerce platforms, Magento and Shopify. So if you want to build an e-commerce website, today I'm going to suggest a good option that will suit your needs. Our today's discussion will be based on 4 categories depending on simplicity of the platform. Second, the security of the platform. Third, the scalability of the platform. And the fourth, the financial cost of that platform. Let me start with the issue of simplicity. On the aspect of simplicity, it's easier to build a responsive and a professional website on Shopify than Magento. On Shopify store, what you need is just drag and drop. You don't need coding skills. You don't need to be a website developer to build a responsive and a professional website or e-commerce website on Shopify. What you need is just drag and drop. But on the issue of Magento, there are other aspects that will require a person to have coding skills. If you want to build a professional and a responsive website using Magento, you need coding skills. So in general, it is very easier, it is simple, it's more simpler to build a responsive and a professional website on Shopify than Magento. On the issue of security, let me start with Magento store first. On Magento, there are 2 categories, the free version and the paid version. The free version, or we call open source, or formerly was called community-based, is vulnerable to attacks, but the paid one is more secure. In general, Shopify is more secure than Magento. So on the issue of security, Shopify beats Magento in general. The third aspect is scalability. If you expect to sell a large number of products, your best option will be Magento, especially if you want to sell more than 1,000 products. If you want to put your products more than 1,000, your best option will be Magento. But if you have less or fewer products, less than 1,000, Shopify will be your best bet. And the fourth aspect is financial costs. If you don't have money to pay for monthly subscription, I do suggest you to use Magento free version or Magento open source or Magento community. But if you can afford to pay for monthly subscription fee at least $29 per month, I do suggest to choose Shopify or Shopify platform. Friend, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.